Hi guys, it's Shay over here with little Meeko. Meeko, say hi. What that? What that? No? What that? So we're here today in the car, just because we are on our way to our first episode of Adventures with Meeko. Woo! We're visiting a park today on Ile Bizard, and we're gonna go on the hiking trail with Meeko. Yes, I know, he's a tiny little 7-pound dog. How can he go on a hiking trail? But he actually keeps up with us pretty well. He's actually like a bit of a crazy guy. He loves going hiking and doing other things like that. He has a lot of energy, so usually he can keep up no problem. And remember, always have an ID tag on your dog when you're going to these places, and keep them on leash if it's not off leash. So we're gonna go there today. Yay! First things first, in this park, dogs have to be on leash, and the leashes must be no longer than 2 meters. There seems to be a lot of bugs in here, so maybe bug spray. You wanna go for a walk? Good boy. So we found a random small trail. We don't know where this leads us. We'll see how it goes. Oh, Meeko's so cute. It's like a little magical forest creature. Well, I see houses. Cool. Being bothered by the bugs too. Meeko, you wanna go for a walk? Okay. Meeko, come! We just went through the trail. It was actually about 1.8 kilometers. What we thought were hiking trails as advertised actually just turned out to be a big dirt road, as you saw in the video. In terms of recommending it for those who have dogs, I don't really recommend it. It's very green and lush, which is nice, but there's also a ton of mosquitoes because there are lots of swamps nearby here. Meeko was actually being pestered by a bunch of bugs too, so I definitely recommend some bug spray for yourself and some sort of pet-friendly bug spray too. Yeah, definitely would not come back. So what would I rate this out of 5? I would probably say 2 out of 5. I would only recommend this for people who actually live on the island. Thanks for watching! Bye!